If Microsoft Edge keeps changing your links when you copy and paste them, don't worry, you can turn that off in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off URL formatting in Edge so your links stay clean, simple, and ready to use exactly the way you copied them. This is really helpful if you share links often, work with websites, or just want to stop Edge from automatically changing your URLs. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all the browser settings. From here, click Settings. Now, you'll be on the Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, find and click Appearance. This section controls how Edge looks and also includes several behavior options that affect how the browser works. Once you're in Appearance, scroll through the page until you find the Browser Behavior and Features. Inside Browser Behavior and Features, look for the option called Change URL Copy and Paste Format. This is the setting that causes Edge to modify links when you copy or paste them. For example, it may add formatting or change the way a URL appears when pasted into another app or document. To stop that from happening, simply toggle this option off. As soon as you turn it off, Edge will stop automatically changing your copied URLs. That means when you copy a web address, you should be able to paste it in the original format without extra adjustments. This is especially useful if you're sending links in emails, notes, chats, or documents and want them to stay consistent. If you ever want to turn the feature back on later, you can always return to the same menu and switch it on again. But for most people who want cleaner, more predictable link behavior, leaving it off is the easiest option. And that's it. You've now turned off URL formatting in Microsoft Edge. Quick, simple, and done in under a minute. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy browser tips, computer fixes, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.